Yeah, if you run a limo or taxi business, here is your hard truth. Most dispatch software is taking a cut of every dollar you earn. We build something different. A2Dispatch is a $25 a month flat, no commission, no revenue sharing, your own branded application, your own business identity. We've been doing this since 2006. Over the years, we talked with many limo owner drivers, operators, and affiliate partner. And this is what we came up with. We found that they were working with the revenue sharing partner rather than the tech partner. So all the dispatch providers, they were taking a cut of every job that you do on their system. Now, this is where we come into place. This is where the A to Z is totally different. We do not charge any commission on the jobs or the bookings that you take in our platform. It's totally unlimited, no commission at all, forever. What we do is we take a flat fee depending upon the package that you choose. Our package starts from $25 a month. Now, to exactly show you how we help your business to grow together, like I said, are not a revenue sharing partner, we are a tech partner for your business. Now, in this video, today's videos, we'll be learning how our on-demand dispatch settings can be done from your console, from your user console, and how it works on the booking. So, to learn this, let's go into the main menu, dispatch setup here, and let's click on to booking dispatch and payment settings, and let's click on to the dispatch here. Now this is a console where you can manage your settings for your on-demand bookings and scheduled booking. On previous video we already learned how you can do a setup for the dispatch setup for the scheduled booking. On this one we will learn how we can do for the on-demand. So since on-demand bookings are very urgent and that needs immediate action from the dispatch console or from the drivers and from the operators, so what we have here is all the on-demand bookings are will be dispatched automatically by the system. So having said this one, you do not have any control to override it by yourself. It will be done automatically by the system. So it runs on the auto mode. So what it does is it will automatically dispatch the job on the basis of qualification process. So we have a qualification process here. The qualification process is the driver qualification process. If you look at it, this is the qualification process for the driver. For AI mode, I mean the efficient route managing system, where the drivers are qualified onto two tier, one tier 1 and tier 2. In the tier 1 we check the score of the driver, like how far they are from the pickup location and how long it's going to take for them to reach the pickup location, and what is the vehicle type and what is the vehicle class and what is the cost that is applicable for that journey. So depending upon those things we provide them the score, which is 40, 30, 10, 10, and 10. So whoever gets the higher score, they will come onto the tier 1 here, which is for less than 2 kilometer, and any any qualified drivers more than that will come into the tier 2, which is for less than 5 kilometers. Now this is how the system will qualify the drivers automatically. Once the drivers are qualified, now the system will send the job for the tier 1 driver. Now remember, on the schedule booking, the dispatch were done regardless of, or in the automatic dispatch, it was done on a broadcast mode. That basically means all the drivers used to get a job at a single time. But in on-demand booking, each driver will have 15 seconds, or this can be made dynamic as per your requirement to accept the job. Let's say the first driver does not accept the job, the second driver will receive, and so on until the first tier is exhausted. If none of the drivers accept the job on the first year, let's say we have 4 drivers on the first year, or let's say 10 drivers on the first year, each of the drivers getting 15 seconds, none of the drivers accept the job, the system will send the job to the second tier. And even if the second tier driver does not accept the job, the passenger will have option to retry, or the booking will be cancelled. So this is how automatic dispatch works, and this is how you can set up the automatic dispatch. But like I said, this is a default settings, so you won't be able to change the settings for the automatic on-demand booking dispatch. So this is how the on-demand settings are done on the back end. Now let's see how it works on the real time when the passenger creates a booking. I mean, when the passenger creates the booking, how it works. Let's see over here. So I will go and check on the stolen. Let me check the. So we will go ahead and create a booking. So now we are going to create instant booking, which is book now. So the pickup location we have here is again pickup airport, and we'll go to the city and we'll put the flight number and select the passenger. Okay, so this is over the phone booking. So now this is applicable for all type of booking, whether it's been created by the admin or whether it's been created by the passenger from the app or from the website, because we have multiple platforms to make a booking. So admin can make a booking on behalf of the passenger, or passenger can do it by themselves from the app or from the website. Now let's change this price again here. The system already calculated this price, so I'm going to select this vehicle. Now since this is on-demand booking, obviously it's going to be instant payment here if you choose the car. So I'm going to choose the car payment here. Or we can say as so the payment will be processed obviously when the driver accepts the job. The payment will be pre-authorized, and when the driver ends the trip, the payment will be processed. So when doing a uh, pre-authorized is only done when the driver accepts the job. Please understand this process here. And I'm going to create a booking out here. So this is on-demand booking, so the system will automatically dispatch a job. Here you can see the timer running out here. The system is already looking for the job right now for on-demand booking. Now we do not have any location for this driver, so now system is looking for the driver, for the nearest driver. Now as you can see, we do not have any nearest driver, so that's the reason it's not available here. So this is how the system will do on-demand dispatch, and this is how the bookings are created on the system out here. All the bookings that has been created will come onto the booking section over here, so you'll be able to see all the as you can see, these are the bookings that we made it right now. The system will be, and the jobs will be available over here. And if you like to track all the jobs and everything, you just go to the real-time booking and we'll be able to see the real-time location of the driver and real-time location of the jobs happening on the system. We can see here the pickup, drop up, and everything that is happening over here on the jobs out here. So this is quite easy. You'll be able to monitor all the drivers out here. You can see the real-time location of the driver. Click on the driver track. At the moment, see, these are all test accounts, so we do not have a driver out here. We have all the test bookings out here waiting dispatch. So this is how the system works, and you'll be able to see everything on real time. You can also see the bookings on the calendar view as well, or you can see on the list view as well. So it's quite convenient for everything is available on the system. Hope that gives you clear clarification of how the system works, right? Thank you very much. Hope it was a helpful video for you guys. Thank you.